Hi there, welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today we are going to be talking about time, telling the time and asking about time in English. This is a perfect class for beginners like yourself. So let's get started by looking at our objectives for today. First objective, learn how to ask and answer questions about time. What time is it? Second objective, say the time using both digital and analog clocks. So digital is going to be your smartphones, your smartwatches, and digital clocks you might have around your house. And analog is going to be your traditional style clock and watches that have moving hands. And the last objective is learning new vocabulary about time, such as o'clock, half past, and midnight. So let's not waste any more time and get started on these objectives. I'm sure you're familiar with what this is. This is a clock. And if we're wearing it on our wrist, it's called a watch. Let's look closely and learn about the vocabulary in English regarding this clock. So here you can see the clock has various sticks on the inside, or hands as we call them. The short, thick, slowest moving stick is the hour hand. The hour hand lets us know what hour it is. The thick hand is the hour hand. Now the next hand is longer and thinner and moves a little faster. This is the minute hand. The minute hand allows us to know what minute we're on. And then, I'm sure you all know, the fastest hand of all is the second hand. The second hand lets us know the second, and it moves quite fast because there are 60 seconds in a minute. So you've got 3 hands. The big one is the hour hand. The longer, thinner hand is the minute hand, and the fastest hand is the second hand. Not all watches or clocks have all 3. Many will just have the hour and the minute hand. Next vocabulary word, o'clock. O'clock is used when we are talking about the hour, but exactly the hour. For example, this reads 4:00, or 4 p.m., or 4 o'clock. We use o'clock when we are mentioning the exact hour. So it could be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, rock, or 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, all the way to 12 o'clock. We would not use a clock if we're going to read this number. This says 4:08. Not 4:08 o'clock, just 4:08. So remember, a clock is used with the exact hour. Next vocabulary word, half past. So if you look at a clock, it's a circle, right? And we can break that circle in half. And if we break 60 minutes in half, you'll get 30. Just like half past, which lets you know it is 30 minutes past the hour. So this, for example, says 4:30, or you can say 4:30. Next one. So we've got that circle in 2 halves, and we can break those further in half. If we break those halves in half, we get a quarter. And in one whole circle, there are 4 quarters. So when we talk about a quarter past, we're talking about 15 minutes. Like here, it says 4:15. Or you can say 4:15. And on the other side of the clock, when the long minute hand is on the 9, you have 4:45, or 4:45. Not 4:45, because it's only 15 minutes until 5 o'clock. Next vocabulary word, midnight. Midnight is a word we use when we're talking about 12 a.m. in the morning, 12:00 in the morning, in the middle of the night, at midnight. So you can either say 12 a.m. or midnight. Midnight does not mean 12:30 or 1:30 or any other variation of time. Midnight is 12 a.m., midnight. And on the other side of that, we have noon. Noon means 12 p.m. In the middle of the day, we have noon. And speaking of p.m. and a.m., let's go over those. When we talk about morning time, the hours in the morning, we use a.m. a.m. stands for ante meridium. Excuse my Latin. I don't speak Latin professionally. Which means before noon. Before noon. And then we have p.m. p.m. is another phrase in Latin, post meridium, which means afternoon, after midday. So we use a.m. for the morning hours and p.m. for the afternoon hours. And that's a vocabulary for telling time. You have the hour hand, the minute hand, the second hand, a clock, half past, a quarter past, a quarter to, midnight, noon, a.m., and p.m. Now let's work on asking and answering those questions about time. You'd like to know, what's the time? How do you ask that? Simple. What time is it? What time is it? Your turn. What time is it? Very good. That's one way to ask about the time. You can also ask, do you have the time? Do you have the time? It's a little more formal, a little classic English, but it still works. Do you have the time? And someone will look at their clock or maybe their phone and tell you, oh, it's 3 o'clock. It's 4:30. So there's a couple ways you can ask about time. What time is it? Do you have the time? Do you know what time it is? That's a little bit longer. And in English, we're always trying to be concise, but you can still say, do you know what time it is? Do you have the time? What time is it? And the answer is always basically going to be the same. It's whatever time it is. It's 3 o'clock, it's 4:30, it's 5:15, it's 10:42. So let's continue with practicing. Now we're going to practice saying the time. Let's start with reading the time by the complete hour. What time is it? If you said it's 2 o'clock, bravo, that's correct. It's 2 o'clock. Next one, pay attention to the pictures. What time is it? If you said it's 7 p.m., great job, because that's right. It's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. or it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Very good. Let's try one more. What time is it? If you said it's 5 a.m., you're right. It's 5 a.m. or it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 a.m. It's 5 o'clock. Good job. Now let's try with some tricky numbers. The half past. What time is it? it's 3:30. If you said it's 3:30, high five. That's right, it's 3:30, or you can say it's 3:30. It's 3:30 or it's 3:30. Let's try another one. What time is it? If you said it's 8:30, you're right. You can either say it's 8:30 or it's 8:30. It's 8:30 or it's 8:30. Good job. Let's do one more. What time is it? It's 12:30. If you said 12:30 or it's 12:30, you got it. That's right. It's 12:30. Now let's move on and try 1/4. What time is it? It's 3:15. Very good. It's 3:15, or you can also say 3:15. It's 3:15 or 3:15. Very good. Let's do another one. What time is it? If you said it's 7:15, you're right. It's 7:15 or it's 7:15. Both are correct. Last one. What time is it? If you said it's 9:15, great job. It's 9:15 or it's 9:15. That's correct. Now let's do our last set of exercises using 1/4. So, what time is it? If you said it's 7:45, bravo, that's correct. It's 7:45 or it's 7:45. Very good. Let's do another one. What time is it? If you said it's 1:45, you're right. It's 1:45 or it's 1:45. It's 1:45 or 1:45. Let's try one more exercise. What time is it? It's 11:15. If you said it's 11:15, you're right. You can also say it's 10:45. It's 10:45 or 11:15. Very good. Great job. Now let's try some mixed numbers. What time is it? So the key here is to read the numbers as you see them. So we take the beginning of the hour, like here, it says 10. We'll read 10. And then this number, we read it together also. 10:22. 10:22. So let's give it a try. What time is it? Very good. It's 7:31. 7:31. Let's try another one. What time is it? This is a tricky one. If you said 12:03, you're right. We would read this number 12:03. We wouldn't say 12:03. We would say 12:03. Very good. Last one. What time is it? If you said 8:27, spot on. That's right. It's 8:27. Very good. And that's our exercise. Let's move on. Now we're going to do a little game. I'm going to show you 3 different times. And I want you to pick the one that I say. Okay? Let's get started. Here are the times. What time is it? It's 3:15. It's 3:15. Did you pick correctly? Good job. Let's do another one. What time is it? It's 2:45. It's 2:45. Did you pick the right one? Good job. Okay, let's do another one. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Let's do two more. Okay. What time is it? It's 4:30. It's 4:30. Did you pick the right one? Great job. Last one. What time is it? It's 9:15. It's 9:15. Did you pick the right one? Great job. And that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you found this class to be easy English with me, and I can't wait to see you next time. For those of you who like a little extra challenge, I want you to look at these times listed here and write out how we would say those in the comments below. All those who write it right will get a special like from me, and I'll even leave you a message. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time.